guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how my mom do my hair. Give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, follow us on Instagram and comment below and tell us what you've been doing. First, I'm going to tell you what she used to do my hair. She used a little bit of aloe vera plant. And she used some gel. She used a big comb. Today I'm going to tell you how my mom do my hair. She used some gel and she used a big comb. She makes my hair really pretty. I feel really happy when she does it. And it takes a really long time to do mine because it really grows really fast. And Elsa, it does not grow that fast, but she's just a toddler, so it doesn't grow that much. When my mom does my hair, I feel like I want to be done. And it's really pretty when she does it. And I feel happy when she's almost done. When my mom does my hair, I feel like I'm happy because she's gonna do it really pretty how I want it. Wink, wink. I see a pig eating a donut. She used some coconut oil, castor oil, shea butter, aloe vera, and all of my hair. She used shining jam just in front of my hair, not my whole hair. Give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Here for more Nelly and Fun videos.